So hi guys, today I will be doing a review on the vintage Quicker Clicker by Pentel. So the Quicker Clicker, it debuted around the 1970s, maybe early 1980s, and it's quite an iconic and famous pencil. So originally it came in a solid opaque color barrel, and in the late 80s, early 90s, it became transparent like this one. And then in the early 2000s, they changed it to like a rubber grip, and that got a lot of people mad. So now the vintage ones they cost quite a bit of money. I actually got this off a friend really cheap. So let's talk about the design. So the pencil is mainly constructed out of plastic. The nose cone is also out of plastic. One thing that's interesting about this pencil is the lead sleeve. It's really short. It's probably even less than 2 centimeters, maybe 1.5. Another interesting feature of this pencil is the mechanism is made out of brass. I don't know if you can see it. Let me focus. That's probably why this pencil lasts so long. So let's put this back. So, as you can see, the entire body is made out of this translucent clear plastic. One problem with it is it scuffs pretty easily and scratches, so you can see that it's quite scratched. So here is the iconic side button, which you click to advance the lead. Hence the name Quicker Clicker. At the back, there is a solid metal clip, and the writing is on the metal part. And then there is the large eraser. I think it's the Pentel PDE1 refill, which fits the Quicker Clicker and some other AX and AL pencils, I think. So, I forgot to show you guys. This is the writing on the metal. So 0.5 Pentel Japan. And here is the model name. PD345. Okay, so now that we've gone over the design of the pencil, shall we do a writing sample? So as you can see, it writes pretty well. So now let's talk about the writing experience. So one thing I like about the writing experience is because there's no rubber grip and the pencil is pretty thin, so it's pretty comfortable to grip. Overall, I think it writes pretty well. I think it's a bit overrated. It's not that good, but I think it's a pretty good pencil. Like, it's not that good to pay like $20 for it. It's too much. But I think I do understand why some people like it so much. So now let's talk about the price. So you can get this pencil, you can only get the vintage one on eBay, and it usually costs $16 to $18 with shipping shipped from Russia. I think it's Audrey something. So yeah, you can look. I'll put the link in the description. You can also get like used ones, which you might have to replace the eraser. The used ones usually run about $10 to $12. So the vintage Quicker Clickers, they are quite expensive for plastic pencils. For like, you could get like a graph gear with that price. The new ones, on the other hand, they're pretty cheap. You can get them for about $2 to $3. I've seen them everywhere. So in conclusion, the Quicker Clicker is a pretty good pencil. If I was to rate it, I'd probably give it maybe a 7.5 out of 10. I do like it, but I think it's a bit overrated. So yeah, thank you for watching the review of the Pentel Quicker Clicker, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.